Oh my god. Can you guess the temperature right now? Yep, it is only 3 degrees Celsius, but funny enough, it is snowing, or I'm not sure about this white thing that is falling is. Something between hail and snow, because it hits a bit hard and the wind is so strong. So I am put down to a test if I'm going to continue with my beach adventures on this 8th of May. As it is freezing cold and the rain and the snow or the hail, what the hell this is, I have no idea. You see something like in between snow and rain, but I'm very determined to continue with my beach adventures, and this is beach day number 29 this year. And only 5 days ago, this past Saturday, it was 23 degrees Celsius in the air. Yesterday it was 11 and full sunshine. Today it is 3. So we went from 23 to 3 degrees in just 5 days. That's Sweden in May. But yes, I'm gonna take a swim anyway because I measured the water. It is 9 degrees in the lake. So I'm gonna get all warmed up here. And because of the weather, I'm today once again at one of my nearest beaches. This is Fagersjöbrygga, just 3 kilometers away from my home. And it takes me less than 10 minutes to get here. So yes, 8th of May, Wednesday, Eurovision week is under progress. Yesterday it was the first semi-final. I guessed 9 out of 10 of the qualifiers, and tonight I'm traveling to Malmö, and tomorrow I'm gonna see the Eurovision Song Contest semi-final 2 live in the Malmö Arena. So I'm looking forward to it. Okay, I'm gonna speed up because my hand is shaking because of the obvious reasons of the weather and whatever this that is falling down thing is. I have no idea. So hope that the video is not that shaky because I'm freezing. I'm freezing and freezing and freezing. So I will definitely get warmed up now in the water, as it is 9 degrees compared to the air that is 3, but it feels like -3. This is, I don't know, it felt warmer when I was here in winter with all the snow and the ice. So yeah, this is Lake Magelungen over here that I have been taking a swim many times before. Okay, let's go. Beach adventures with Chris, beach day number 29. Let's go. Much warmer in the water. And look how it is evaporating because it is much warmer in the water currently. Okay, now it's gonna be challenging for me to get dressed. Hopefully the wind will be not that tough. But yes, I'm happy that the beach adventures continue, and they will continue even tomorrow. So from some beach in Malmö. Malmö is the 3rd largest city in Sweden. I look forward, as it has been a while since I was there. Last time it was somewhere around 2016, I think, for an athletics competition, the National Swedish Championships, where I placed number 6, if I remember correctly, in the final. Cool, thank you so much for watching. Greetings from this very cold day with snow, rain or hail, whatever this is. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!